Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Leek with all things Leek the Nail Geek. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today we are doing an unboxing. We got a new package today. Let's go ahead and get that open. Oh, true apple form, right? Look at this. You can see it. Ooh, took some work. Gotta get this bad boy open. And that's it. You can see that Apple logo. My Apple credit card came today. So, funny thing, let me see if I can show this to you guys. Bam! Actually, let's do it this way. Bam! Apple credit card, yeah. So, funny thing, funny. When I first applied for it, I was an ad, and I was like, homie said what? So, it's weird. Looking at the reviews, apparently, I don't know if it's a glitch in their system or what's going on, but 2 days later I applied again and I was accepted. No information changed. I don't know. Apple needs to work on that. But the reason why I applied for it, you guys know I love Apple. Not just this year, I just started YouTube this year, but I've been an Apple fan since the original 3G. I think I have it somewhere around here because I don't throw stuff away. But this guy here will help me when it comes to my Apple purchases. More money, well, more bang for my buck. So you get 3% back for Apple products if you use this card. 3%. Mind you, first time you use the card, no matter what you choose to buy with it that's Apple, if it's Apple related, you get $50. And I did, you know, because when you first apply for it, you get the card automatically attached to your Apple wallet so you can use it right away. So I bought a 99-cent app just to see if that $50 is going to come through. And it did. So, I mean, I spent $99, I got $49 back. It's worth it, right? So other deals, again, that 3% on Apple products. And not just Apple, you got, what's that? Uber Eats, Exxon Mobil, Walgreens, Walgreens, and then Nike too. Just do it, y'all. Sign up for it. And then you get 2% back when you use your card with Apple Pay on other places that accept Apple Pay. Now, if you have to actually swipe your card somewhere, it's only 1%, but still 1% is better than no % back. You gotta get more for your bang, guys. It's all about getting more for your money. Cash is good, don't get me wrong. But if I can spend what I'm going to spend in cash and then get some of my money back, a percentage back, why wouldn't you sign up for it? On top of building your credit. You know what I'm saying? Because you have to pay your bill. Don't just get the card and mess it up. Short video. Got my card, about to activate it. So let's go ahead and get this activated so I can enjoy it more. Activate your card. Wake phone and hold here. Okay, this is new. Activate card. Use card everywhere. Something. And it's activated, guys. Activated. Alright, so let's inspect this thing. Ooh. This is nice. Can y'all hear that? Nice metal. I've been using it. Anywho, thank y'all for watching this 4-minute video, very short video. And until next time, bye. It's all fancy.